evening students, welcome back. Welcome to the Abacus Maths classes. I am your Abacus teacher Miss Garima Singh. So kids, our today's video topic is small friends. Small friends less minus 1. Kids, in our previous video we have discussed the small friends, but it was add. We have done add plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. In our previous videos, we have discussed plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. Means we have done the sums related to plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. In that sums, there is lack of bead of 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we learned how to add these numbers with the help of small friends. Now today in this video, again we will use the small friends but for subtracting. In the previous videos we have done add. Now today we will do less. Less means subtract. In the maths you do add and subtraction. Same way here also less means subtract. Don't get confused kids with the less. Less means subtract. Subtract, or you can say minus. So today we will do the sums related to less minus 1. Minus 1 means that in the sums you have to do minus 1. Sums में आपको minus 1 करना होगा and the bead will not be there. So you will use the small friends. So kids, our today's topic is small friends less minus 1. So kids, before starting the sums, let's revise the tool and the friends, because the main is the friends. Yes, you have to learn these friends. The friend of 1 is 4 and the friend of 4 is 1. This you should keep it in your mind, because without this you can't do the sums. If you will learn this, you can easily do any sum with the tool. So friend of 2 is 3 and the friend of 3 is 2. How I have told you to learn these friends? You can learn these friends with the help of fingers. See, the friend of 1 is, the friend of 1 is 4 and the friend of 4 is 1. Same way the friend of 2 is 3, the friend of 3 is 2. So with the help of fingers like this, you can learn the friends. So kids, these are your friends. Now the abacus tool. Now abacus tool, before also we have learned this abacus tool about the rods, beads, and you are quite familiar with it. Now once again we will discuss it. See, the rod which is a dot rod is called the units rod or the ones rod. Second rod is called the tens rod. And in these two rods only we do our sums. So let's start with our first sum. You will get this topic, this minus 1 more when we will do the sums. So kids, our first sum is 5 minus 1, 2. Now kids, for doing this sum, we will use the tool, and before starting this sum, please all the students bring your tool. Yes, bring your tool in front of you and do with me. As I am adding a digit here, means 5 I will add here, you also add with me. The best way to learn abacus is just play my video and do with me. It will really help you to solve this sum and you will gain it more. Now first of all, as you know, it's a single row sum, so it will go in ones rod only, because no tens rod digits are there, double digits are not there, only single digits are there. So first of all you have to add 5 in ones rod. Now 5 you have to add in this ones rod, or you can say units rod also. So 5, how you add 5? Put the 5 bead down. This 5 bead down. Now kids, I have to subtract -1. Now you can see that have I added 1? No. If I will add 1, then only I can subtract it. अगर मैं 1 को add करूँगी तभी उसे subtract करूँगी. But you can see here that I have not added 1. So where I will subtract 1? From where? See, 1 is not there. So how I will subtract? Now there is lack of bead of -1. This is our topic. Means that you have to subtract 1 but the bead will not be there. आपको 1 subtract करना होगा but bead नहीं होगी. You have to subtract -1 but the bead will not be there. So what you have to do for this? Now for subtracting 1, the first number which you will subtract is 5. Yes, there is some difference here. See, in the add, when you have to add 1, the first number which you are adding is 5 and you are subtracting the friend. Now here at the time of subtracting any number, the first number which you will subtract is 5 and you have to add the friend. Yes, in this small friend -1 means in the less one sums you have to subtract the 5 and you have to add the friend. आपको अपने friend को add करना है and 5 को subtract करना है. Yes, just keep it in your mind that you have to subtract the 5 and you have to add the friend. So you have to subtract 5 and you have to add the friend. Now who is the friend of 1? Just remember, you can see there also. Just watch. The friend of 1 is 4. So you have to add 4. Means you have to subtract 5 and you have to add the friend. Now who is the friend of 1? The friend of 1 is 4. So you have to subtract 5 and you have to add 4. Now let's put this here. Now for -1, first of all do -5. Do -5. -5 means put the 5 bead back to its place. Then do +4. +4 means put the 4 bead up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your 1 is subtracted. Nothing you have to do now. Yes kids, you have done -5. -5 back to its place means 5 back to its place. Then you have added 4. +4 is there. So you have added 4 and -1 is subtracted now. Nothing you have to do. Now you have to add 2. आपको 2 add करना है. But you can see that the bead is not there. So in my previous videos kids, I have told you how to add 2. मैंने अपनी पुरानी वीडियोस में आपको बताया था कि आप 2 कैसे ऐड करेंगे. How you will add 2? For adding any number when the bead is not there, the first number which you will add is 5. Yes, and what you have to do? You have to subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 2? 3. So you have to do this. See kids, in this sum you are doing add also and you are doing subtract also. Means first of all you have used the small friends for subtraction. Now you are using small friends for addition. Yes, means the old ones are also coming in the sums again. See, add 2 you have done in the previous videos and it is again coming in this sum. So you just have to keep it in your mind. Yes, you have to learn it. So for adding 2, the first number which you have to add is 5. So add 5. Then you have to subtract the friend. Now who is the friend? 3 is the friend. So you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. Now your 2 is added by using the small friends add +2. Now count the beads. See, in tens rod we have not used it, so we will not count it. Now here 5, 6. And this is your answer. See kids, some kids will think that this sum is very easy. We can do it orally also. Yes kids, you can do it orally. I am telling you this list method first of all in the small sums, so that you can know how to apply it. Afterwards, with the help of this -1 method, you can do lengthy sums also in some seconds with the help of abacus tool. So now kids, we will move to our second sum. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now kids, this is your second sum. It's a 1 row sum. So it will go in ones rod. Now first of all, you have to add 7. See, no sign means add. So you have to add 7 in ones rod. 7, you know how to add. We will take the help of 5. So first of all, add 5. 5. Then 2 from down. 6, 7. So it's 5, 6, 7. So 7 we have added. Nothing you have to do now. Now next you have to do -2. So -2, see 2 beads are there. So you can subtract -2. So do -2 means 2 beads down. I hope kids that you are doing with me. 2 beads down and it is done. Now the last you have to do -1. See, -1 you have to do, but the bead is not there. See, again there is lack of beads. So for subtracting 1, what you have to do, the first number which you have to subtract is 5. And you have to add the friend. So who is the friend of 1? See here, 4. So you have to add 4. See kids, today the sums are of 1 and 4, 10 and 40. Means today in our video, we will only do the sums which are related to this friend. Means 1 and 4. So let's do -5. See, -5 from here. So -5 means put the 5 bead back to its place. Then you have to do 4. 4 you have to add 4. Plus 4 means add 4. So 4 add, put the 4 beads up. For adding, you know we have to put the beads up. 4 beads up. And your 1 is subtracted. Nothing you have to do now. See, subtraction is there. For subtraction, what you have to do? You have to subtract 5 and you have to add the friend. So I have subtracted 5 and I have added the friend. -5 plus 4 and your 1 is subtracted. Now count. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. And it is your answer and it's completed. Now kids, you can see that it has 1's rod also and 10's rod also. See, 1 row is this and 1 number is here also. So let's start. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now, first of all, add 3 in 1's rod. 3 means put the 3 beads up. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads up. Now the second, add 3 in 10's rod. So 3 means put the 3 beads up. 1, 2, 3. 3 in 1's rod, 3 in 10's rod and this is added. Now next you have to add 2 in 1's rod. See, 2 in 1's rod. Now 2 means you have to add 2, but you can see here kids that the bead is not there. Yes, for adding 2 in 1's rod, see here is only 1 and you have to add 2. So for adding 2, what you have to do? Just remember, in my previous video I have told you, for adding any number when the bead is not there, the first number which you will add is 5 and you have to subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 2? See there, 3. So you have to add 5 and you have to subtract 3 for adding 2. Let's do. First of all, add 5 and subtract the friend. Now subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. I have added 5. I have subtracted 3 and 2 is added. For adding this 2, I have used the small friends. Okay kids, if you are not getting this how to add 2, so you can go through my video in which I have told you how to add 2, and the whole video is based on this adding 2 only. In the whole video we have done the sums in which we have added 2. So next we have to do minus 1. Now you can see here kids, no bead is there. So how you will minus 1? Now for minus 1, this is our topic. So for minus 1, what we are doing? For minus 1, the first number which we are subtracting is 5 and we are adding the friend. So who is the friend of 1? 4. Means we are subtracting 5 and we are adding friend for minus, for subtraction. So first of all do minus 5. Minus 5 means put the 5 bead back to its place. And then do plus 4. Plus 4 means 4 bead up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bead up. Now let's revise. See, for minus 1, the first thing which you have to do is subtract 5. So you have subtracted 5. Then what you have to do? You have to add the friend. Add 4. So you have added 4 and your 1 is subtracted. Nothing you have to do now. Now the last you have to add 5. See, no sign is there means add. So you have to add 5. Add 5. Now count. See, here we have used the tens rod also. So 1, 2, 3 in tens rod and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in units rod. So your answer is 39. Students, it needs practice. It is taking time because we are doing these sums by writing all the formulas and all the small friends we are writing. If you will practice it in a very nice way, you can do the sums very quickly and it will take some seconds for you to complete the sum. Now we will move to our last sum kids, which is fourth sum. So kids, this is our last sum. As you know, it will go in ones rod, it will go in tens rod. Now you can see kids that in ones row all are zeros. So all are zeros. So we will do this sum directly. Yes, means we will add 50 directly here. Now one more time we will revise the beads. Now you know that its bead value is 5, its bead value is 1, its bead value is 50 and its bead value is 10. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 5 and here it is 10, 20, 30, 40 and here it is 50. Its bead value is 50. So we will do the sum directly and in this sum we will use this. You can do one by one also, like 0 in ones rod, 5 in tens rod. This also you can do kids. But you know that all are zeros. So we will do this sum directly. Now add 50. 50 means this bead. So add 50 means put the 50 bead down. I have added 50. Its bead value is 50. So this is done. Now next you have to add 20. So 20, 10, 20. So put 20 beads up. 10, 20. Again I am repeating kids. You can do like this also, like 0 here. 0 means nothing and 2 here. So 20 I have added. Done. Now next you have to do minus 20. Minus means put the 2 beads down again. 10, 20. This is also done. I have taken 20 and we have subtracted it. Now the last you have to subtract 10. Now you have to subtract 10 and you can see that the bead is not there. Now for subtracting 10, the first number which you have to subtract is 50. So subtract 50. Put the 50 bead back to its place. And the second you have to add the friend. Now who is the friend of 10? The friend of 10 is 40. So you will add 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now this is done. Now count. See 1, 2, 3, 4 you can also say, or you can say 10, 20, 30, 40 and here nothing. So your answer is 40. Now kids, with this video I have given you a practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your Abacus notebook in a neat and tidy manner. So kids, in our today's topic we have done small friends, less minus 1 means we have done the sums in which we have to subtract 1 and the bead is not there. So we have used the small friends method here. For using the small friends minus 1, what we have done? We have subtracted 5 and we have added the friend. Now who is the friend of 1? The friend of 1 is 4. So we have added 4. So kids, in my next video we will meet with a new topic, new concept and new activity. So make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more concepts. Thank you.